Hello dear students, we are going to discuss the last topic of chemical reactions and equations chapter, that is corrosion. So first of all, what is corrosion? Corrosion is a process in which any metal loss or loses its metallic property. How can we define corrosion? We define it the process where metals are destroyed, damaged because of chemical reaction with air, moisture, chemicals, etc. called corrosion. Okay students, what is corrosion? When any metals destroyed with the help of chemical reactions like air, moisture, chemicals, that is called corrosion. Or another definition of corrosion is degradation of metal surface by the action of air, moisture or chemicals on their surface is called corrosion. There are two different definitions of corrosion. First one, the metals destroyed with the help of chemical, air, moisture called corrosion, or when degradation of metal occurs with the help of air, moisture and chemical on its surface called corrosion. The example of corrosion are damage of building, bridges, car bodies, iron railing, steps. These all are example of corrosions. Okay students, some examples also here. First one, corrosion of copper means how can copper corrode? So copper particles develop a coating of green colored copper carbonate with the help of humid atmosphere. Okay students, when copper react with moist and air, it form a green color copper carbonate substance. We have reactions here. When this is copper react with moist, in the moist carbon dioxide, oxygen and water is present. Water means in the form of vapor, and it forms CuCO3 copper carbonate and CuOH twice, basic copper carbonate of green color. This is corrosion of copper. Corrosion of silver. In the corrosion of silver, silver form a black coating on its surface. This is Ag when it react with H2S, hydrogen sulfide in air. Hydrogen sulfide in air, from air it form silver sulfide of black color with hydrogen gas. This is corrosion of silver. Corrosion of iron or rusting. Iron get rusted with the help of moist air at long time and form hydrated ferric oxide. See here, when iron react with oxygen gas and some amount of water, it form Fe2O3 into X2, that is hydrated ferric oxide or rust. Okay students, these are the examples of corrosion. Example number first, corrosion of copper. Copper form green color. Corrosion of silver. Silver form black color on its surface, and rusting of iron. How can we prevent corrosion? Prevention of corrosion. First, corrosion of metals can be prevented by coating their surface with paint or varnish. It means on painting or varnish of any metallic surface, corrosion is prevented. Movable part of machinery are prevented from corrosion by using of oil or grease. With the help of oil or grease, movable part are prevented. Metals like aluminium can be coated with thin strong layer of their oxide. जब एल्यूमिनियम पर एल्यूमिनियम के थिन लेयर स्ट्रांग इसके ऑक्साइड का लगा दिया जाता है तो क्या होता है, एल्यूमिनियम का प्रिवेंशन होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, also some other metals are prevented by coating by non corrosive metals. कुछ ऐसे metals का जो non corrosion होते हैं उनका अगर हम यूज़ कर लेते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, corrosion से हम उसको prevent कर सकते हैं. Rusting of iron can also prevented by covering of more reactive metals like zinc. When zinc coated on iron surface, then iron get prevented, and this process is called galvanization. Students, what is galvanization? The plating of zinc on the surface of iron is called galvanization. This is corrosion and prevention of corrosion. Another topic, last topic of the chapter, that is rancidity. What is rancidity? The aerial oxidation of fat oil containing food materials. कभी कभी आप देखते हैं किसी फूड से स्मेल आने लगती है, ठीक, स्मेल आने लगती है, अजीब से लगता है, उसका टेस्ट चेंज हो जाता है. ये सब क्यों होता है? ड्यू टू रेंसिडिटी. सो we define rancidity, the aerial oxidation of fat or oil containing food materials indicated by unpleasant smell and taste called rancidity. unpleasant smell आती है उसमें, कि टेस्ट चेंज हो जाती है, इसी को बोलते हैं rancidity. How can we prevent rancidity? By storing food in air tight containers. ऐसे आप किसी कंटेनर्स में रखिए जो एयर टाइट हो, उसका प्रिवेंशन होगा. बाय एडिशन ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, ऐसे आप एंटीऑक्सीडेंट सब्सटेंस को यूज करिए. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स लाइक BHT होते हैं, ब्यूटाइलरेट हाइड्रोक्सी टालविन होते हैं, BHA ब्यूटाइलरेट हाइड्रोक्सी एनिसोल होते हैं, विटामिन C होते हैं, विटामिन E होते हैं. दीज ऑल आर एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. जब इसको मिला दिया जाता है तो किसी भी फूड का क्या होता है? ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होता. पैकिंग ऑफ फूड इन द बैग्स फ्लश्ड विथ नाइट्रोजन गैस प्रिवेंटेड रेंसिडी. आप फूड को नाइट्रोजन गैस की प्रेजेंसी में प्रिवेंट करते हैं. जैसे चिप्स हैं, कुरकुरे हैं, इनको फ्लश किया जाता है नाइट्रोजन गैस की. नाइट्रोजन गैस से जो नाइट्रोजन गैस क्या करता है? उसके ऑक्सीडेशन को रोकता है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. कीपिंग फूड अवे फ्रॉम सनलाइट, सनलाइट की प्रेजेंसी में न रखा जाए. कीपिंग फूड अवे फ्रॉम सनलाइट, सनलाइट भी क्या करता है? रेंसिडिटी को रिटार्ड करता है. ठीक, दिस ऑल आर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ रेंसिडिटी. सो वी कंप्लीटेड our first chapter of chemistry, and next video we revise all topics. Thank you.